Have you ever checked your phone to see a notification and then suddenly 30 minutes disappeared already? No big accident, no system crash, yet somehow your time was quietly taken away. This happens to most of us every day and we rarely stop to ask why. Hi, my name is John Paulo Sicaponpon. Let's talk about why small digital habits shapes our future more than the big innovations. When we talk about technology shaping the future, we often imagine big innovation, artificial intelligence, smart cities, or advanced machines. But in reality, we check our phones, how we manage notification, and how long we stay distracted. This habit seems harmless, but repeated daily, they shape how we think, focus, and communicate. So if small habits matter, what exactly are they doing to us? Studies consistently shows that frequent digital interruption reduce concentration and memory retention. When we multitask between lectures, message, and social media, or our brains never fully engage. As a student, this affects not only our grades but also our ability to communicate clearly. We become impatient listeners, rush speakers, and shallow thinkers. Good communication requires presence, and presence is something notification constantly steals. But the goal is not to reject technology. It is used to it is used with purpose. Purposeful communication begins with purposeful habits. Simple action can create powerful change, like turning off essential notifications, setting a specific time for social media, giving full attention during conversation or discussions. These small decisions train us to be more focused, more respectful, and more effective communicators. In conclusion, the future will not only be shaped by technology we invent, but by how we choose to use it every day. So next time you reach for your phone, pause and ask yourself, is this helping me communicate better or just distracting me? Because sometimes the smallest habits are the biggest impact. Thank you.